Unit 6, Murfreesboro City Schools, compare and round decimals using base 10 blocks, meter sticks, and toothpicks. I want to start with a book that I'm thinking you have in your building. A lot of people that went to Project Inspire got this book, and it's digital, so you would have this Implementing the Common Core State Standards Through Mathematical Problem Solvings, grade 3-5, published by NCTM. This is a lesson from that book. I feel very strongly about grounding these fifth graders in rounding whole numbers before you jump into decimals. They probably just had procedures, or they may have had procedures, okay? We've got to assume that. We have to make sure and take a short amount of time to do some lessons like this on whole numbers first. So let's take the number 148. Where is it on the number line? And what if I'm rounding this number to the nearest 10? I always like to underline whenever they say round to the nearest 10. That's my ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So I underline that place value that I am rounding to keep me focused. Okay, so let's think about what two tens is 148 between. Okay, so it could be between, it is between 140 and 150. And I always like to say, what's in the middle? What's between those two tens? That gives me my midpoint, which is 145. Now, where does the 148 fall on this number line? Okay, the 148 is going to be about here, and I'm not measuring. It's about right there, okay? Therefore, it is closer to the 150, all right? Now, let's look at this same number again, but this time let's round to the hundreds place. And again, I've underlined the place value. I've got my ones, tens, hundreds. I'm going to round to the hundreds place. Which two hundreds is this number between? It's between 100 and 200. We're laying the foundation here. What's right in between 100 and 200? 150. Okay. Where does the 148 fall? And is it closer? Is it going to be closer to 100 or 200? Well, the 148 is about right here. Okay. So my 148 is going to be closer to 100 than to 200. We're laying this firm foundation. Now, to go to the next step, I am going to have to take my camera down, and I'm going to have to turn it around.